If you're traveling to Thailand anytime soon, guys, then this video will be very helpful for you, because I'm going to talk about those 5 applications in this video which will save your time and money. And yes, you can install these applications on iOS or on an Android device. And I have used these applications in the past in Thailand. I was in Thailand 4 months ago and I've used these applications. Don't worry, I'm not going to talk about Grab or Bolt. That everybody knows. I'm not going to talk about those apps. So watch this video till the end to know more information. But as usual, before we get started, as you can see on my screen, 98% of you who are watching my content regularly are non-subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button and support my channel. App number 1 I want to talk about is called MoveMe, M-U-V-M-I. So this app, the specialty about this app is you can book tuk-tuks through this app. Now you have Grab and Bolt where they're still integrating tuk-tuk with this, but MoveMe is a specific app to book tuk-tuks and get that auto rickshaw kind of an experience. Now India, we have autos, and similarly in Thailand we have tuk-tuks, and the main advantage of this using this app is you can share rides. Now we had Ola Share and Uber Share. Similarly, now through this app you can also share rides for short distances, and this is completely electric tuk-tuks. So you get that vibe and feel of Thailand when you ride on these tuk-tuks, and it is always a very pleasant experience riding tuk-tuks in Thailand rather than compared to those old taxis and cabs which you can book through Grab and Bolt. So when in Thailand, use this MoveMe app to get the tuk-tuk experience. Now first time when I went to Thailand, guys, there was no app at all back in 2016 to use and ride tuk-tuks. Now if you hire a tuk-tuk on the road, they will charge you 1:2 price, and they will try to scam you at the end of the ride, saying if you say 100 baht from X to Y, after reaching Y, there are chances of they telling you 300 or 400 baht 10 times extra. Now, if you have faced this experience like me, please do comment in the comment section. So, MoveMe is a fantastic app that you can make use to get the tuk-tuk experience in Thailand. The next app I want to talk about is GoWabi app for massages, wellness and personal care. Now the main advantage of this app is you can select the service on the app and you can book to a salon or a spa or a wellness center near you, and you can make the payment online, or you can choose to make the payment at the desk, and this is very useful for not getting scammed. You can choose the selective service, you can see the reviews, you can read the user experience, and then only you can pay for the service, which is very convenient in my opinion. And this app is widely used by locals, not just tourists. Now locals are very important when you go to a different country. We would ideally want to understand what they're using, what they're eating, how they run or go about their daily life. Similarly, GoWabi app provides all those things: massages, wellness, spa. You also have an option to book Muay Thai experience as well. So this app gives you wide range of experience. Do install this app if you want to experience, if you have time in Thailand, if you want to get yourself pampered. This is one of the best apps where you can get that experience. App number 3 is my personal favorite, called Tada. It's called T-A-D-A. Now Grab and Bolt sometimes will give you cabs or not give you cabs. The main advantage of Tada is you can schedule cabs and you can book it and it will come and turn up without fail. Now I wanted to go to airport at 3 o'clock. Now what I did was, on the previous day I logged into the Tada app and I scheduled airport taxi at 3 a.m. and that person was available and called me when at my hotel when he reached at 2:45 itself. So the main advantage of this is you get more cabs compared to Grab and Bolt, and more taxis are available. Yes, it may be touch expensive compared to Bolt and Grab. I definitely agree. I found it a bit expensive, but certainly you will get the taxis and cabs. Cabs and taxis will certainly come on time. You don't have any issues with it. So always book Tada and get that experience of not getting a cab. You're trying for cabs, you're not getting it. You're traveling with kids, you're traveling with elders. Sometimes you'll have to take a taxi or a cab when you go to Thailand. So this is one of the best apps I would recommend to take your local taxis. The next app I want to talk about is Foodpanda. Now Foodpanda is just like Swiggy or Zomato in Thailand. Now let's say you're a vegetarian, you're staying in a bit of outskirts of Thailand, you don't know where you're staying exactly, you reached home late night after a big long day in Bangkok or Phuket, anywhere, and you're tired and you want to get your food delivered to your hotel, local food or Indian food or Thai food or Chinese food, any kind of food, you can order through this app and get enormous discounts, coins, and you can also redeem that and order it to your hotel. So personally, I've used this when I went 4 months ago. When I went with my parents, they're pure vegetarians, and they wanted something. We already had gone to a tour, and then we reached home almost like 9:30, 10 o'clock, and they wanted to have Indian food, and I ordered through this app, and it was very, very helpful for me. I was able to see what restaurant is having what reviews, how many frequent orders have gone in, and this app is very designed very beautifully. Initially, guys, if you remember, in 2013, 14, 15, when before Swiggy and Zomato was launched, there was Food Panda in India as well. Same logo, same company. I'm guessing now they are available in Thailand, and it is running completely nationwide, and you can get good experience and food get delivered to your hotel without any problem, hassle-free experience through Food Panda app. The next app I want to talk about, the most useful app out of all the 5 apps, is Wong Nai. Now, what is this Wong Nai app is? You can find local restaurants, you can see the reviews, and also you can book your table through this app. Now, the main thing about food is, guys, there are touristy and non-touristy places. Touristy places are those which are marketed very well with English menu. When you go to Thailand and someone is standing outside and calling you to the restaurant, those are touristy type of restaurants where you cannot get the local experience. Now, if you want to know what are the local restaurants where locals actually go and eat food, like maybe a pad thai or maybe a shrimp noodles or maybe pork fried rice, whatever it is, what locals prefer to eat is what we usually as tourists want to eat as well. Now, when you go to a touristy place, everything will be in English, they'll speak to you in English, etc. But when you go to an actual local restaurant in Bangkok or anywhere in Thailand, you will not have menus in English, you will not have people speaking in English. So that is proper local restaurant where local visitors and local Thai people go to such restaurants, and though that information, that critical information, is available in Wong Nai app. Now, few diners also requires booking, like how we book our hotels through Zomato. Similarly, this app offers you to book slots and dining tables in those restaurants, which is very useful in my opinion. And not just that, even if you don't want to visit, you can see the reviews, ratings of what Thai people have said about their experience in the hotel, and few Michelin star restaurants also are available in this app. I personally use this app whenever I go to Thailand because I want to get that local experience of pad thai, mango sticky rice, shrimp noodles, or pork fried rice, or anything related to that. So these 5 apps, if you have on your phone, is going to be a game changer, and it is going to be really, really helpful. So please share this video, guys, to whomever is going to Thailand, your friends, family, etc. It will be very useful for them also, and avoid going on package tours to at least Thailand. Other countries, people won't listen anyway, they go on packages, but at least Thailand, avoid, guys. Watch my videos, which will be really, really helpful for you. So if you want to book SIM card, if you want to book attractions, everything is linked in the description below. So please go through it. You will get 5 to 10% discount. T&C applied. I'll catch you guys in my next video.